Just rode the bike about 10 kilometers out of town, now heading to the, I know we'll botch it if I try to say it, but the KAENG NYUI Waterfall. Close enough. Should be beautiful. Continuing the hike up towards the waterfalls, you can see very dense green vegetation, and also there's a bit of humidity, moisture hanging in the air. I imagine this area does get a lot of rainfall. It is June now, I guess the beginning of the rainy season. Final steps to the waterfall through this field of banana plants. Walk turned out to be a little bit more challenging. I climbed down a little bit of a slippery ledge to give you a spectacular shot of how awesome this waterfall is. How beautiful and awesome is this to be at the base of a thundering waterfall here in Laos. Magnificent being here. I don't know what to tell you. You ought to be here yourself to witness something like this.